a little different. If you guys don't know what the smoothie challenge is, I'll tell you. So the smoothie challenge is where you get like a bunch of numbers and you put whatever. You know what a smoothie is. You just put different stuff in it. So I'm doing it a little different. I'm just gonna get everything, and I already got everything. So first, you can do this, but I got marshmallows. Lemonade powder. Strawberry powder. Strawberry milk powder. Ketchup.
Previously on Sunday.
They turn yourselves in.
Easy
What are we now?
cheese.
We need protection to county. We gotta make these bullshit charges go away.
You're gonna say goodbye.
Bananas. To add a little bit of good flavor.
That's about us, Wood. Appreciate that.
Pull things out.
Sour
Get
cream.
out your back. He's gonna find other ways to hurt us.
A
I'll do one, man. I need a dead son.
spoon
To
stir it.
relationships.
A straw to try it.
You get out to her. Straight.
And a cup. Where else would you put it? So first I'm going to start off with, well,
What's going on?
I should put some milk in here first. Because, of course, we can't just leave it plain.
Choosing or you. Michael.
And some milk. That's all I got. So, open up the milk. Ow! I hurt my nails.
Sounds like things went according to plan. New plan. I just watched my best friend get beaten to death.
Maybe a little.
Only Traeger outside. Him knowing I
Some for that.
gives me an eternal financial need.
Mm.
Using pain to take it to the next level. Those are things that turn players into kings.
Oh. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh, there's the lid. Okay. Okay, and then I'm gonna probably put some bananas in here. So. Oh, okay. Go like that. I know these are a little gross. We had them for a really long time, but they're not that gross. I mean, do they have to be good?
What happened? Your little
No.
tantrum bounced off.
Kind of. I don't know.
Energy.
So
She called the
Just
cops.
gonna
Someone reported
put
prostitution
them
of
in
her
here.
or your old man.
No one knows.
I wouldn't say he doesn't need to.
I'll just save this, right? For me.
Jim, tell them all.
Oh, okay.
You're up.
Let's
go.
And all of you guys, on my last video,
Yeah, or maybe we just realized that.
requested this. So, might as well just do all what you said. Then I will put some sour curry.
Okay. You okay?
I did. First try.
Prostitution charge.
Oh, it's water. Whatever.
Oh, well, but hooking with me.
Oh, I got a big old chunk. It looks like ice
Sorry,
cream.
I didn't know who else to call.
Sorry, I love sour cream.
You must
Sour. Sour cream. Did you? What kind of sour cream is this? Oh, who's that? Oh, don't get in my way, please.
Thank you.
And then
No problem. It's the least you could do.
lemonade
The way you help me.
time.
To you.
Look at that, just a scoop.
Yeah, I guess you should. So glad you helped me.
So I'm gonna put that much in.
I'm going in the car bag.
One more. Stuff
You're
that.
at home.
Whoa. Oh. There. Okay. Okay, now
I'll handle this thing with Tara. In the morning I'll be ready, okay?
I have a special guest. My cousin. He's 7 years old. I'm 8. So, now get out of here. This is my show.
You okay?
I didn't know you were out.
I'll be back. Stay there.
Some stuff in your place. I gotta stick around here with the rest of the girls.
Why are you spying on me? Thank you.
You think it's my fault?
What are you doing? There's nothing in there. Okay, I got this open, but I kind of cheated. Oh, guess what? Whoa, this is too much sauces, but oh, next I'm throwing in some Tito's salsa because salsa is like the best with whipped cream, but sour cream, but not with bananas and milk. Okay. Okay. So next up, what I'm pretty worried about is the ketchup. And I don't want to try this, but ew, it's watery. And then next up, the easy cheese, which I love. Easy cheese. Oh, that's a lot. Wow. Who knew? Like 5,000. And 2 more. So first this, which I love. It smells so good. My first gets different spoon. What are you looking at? I'll use a baby spoon. If the baby spoons come out. Okay. So pretty. Oh, sorry. Done. Okay. There we go. I think 1 scoop for that and 5 billion for me. Oh. You want to taste this? Sure. Hold on. I gotta put in marshmallows. Just 1 marshmallow. And first I stir it.
Green 50 G.
Try it. Yeah. Try it. 1, 2, 1. I don't want to try it. Bye-bye. Enjoy your meal.
You kill us with a phone call as easily as a bullet.
Don't try it.
We do his turn. See where it goes.
Bye. Ew! I said bye.